Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find all subscribers in a community on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. If you've been searching for where that option went, or how to see everyone who's part of your community, stay tuned. This guide walks you through every simple step. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with the account that's part of the community you want to check. Telegram's desktop version now includes a few design and feature changes, so things might look a little different than they did before. Once the app is open, find the community you want. You can locate it from the list on the left side of your screen, under Chats or Folders. Click on the community's name to open it. This takes you straight into the main chat window, where all the discussions and posts appear. At the top of the chat window, you'll see the community's name displayed clearly. Click on that name. This will open the community's information panel, where you can access all the key details including settings, media, links, and members. In this new update, Telegram renamed members or participants to subscribers, especially for large communities and broadcast-style groups. So now, you'll want to look for the subscribers section. Click on it, and you'll see the full list of people subscribed to the community. Here, you can scroll through everyone's names, view their profiles, and check who's active. Some admin tools may also appear here if you have management rights. Keep in mind that for private communities, you'll only see subscribers if you're allowed by the community's privacy settings. For public communities, the subscriber list is usually visible to everyone. And that's it. By following these quick steps, opening Telegram, finding your community, clicking its name, and entering the subscriber section, you can see the complete list of everyone connected to that community. This simple process helps you stay organized and aware of who's participating in your Telegram spaces. If you found this guide helpful, explore more tips to get the most out of the Telegram desktop app and stay up to date with its latest features.